Alright, we're back working on the, I don't know what we're going to call this thing yet, but we're working on this mid-engine S10. Testing some of the wiring. This thing's all over the place.
Yeah, when I turn the power on, it fucking goes nuts. All the switches are off.
Oh, it's back up to 12. Might have to redo a bunch of the wiring.
Well, it'd help to have good batteries too.
Yeah.
Like there is. Ding!
Yeah.
Fucking zip zilch nothing.
So if you missed the last video, we bought this from a farmer's field, basically, where it sat for the last 10 years. He used to have a small block Chevy in it and a few different transmissions, but the most recent one I think he said was a Turbo 400. And he said the fastest he's ever had it was 11:15 at, I think it was either Martin or Stanton here in Michigan. I don't know about you, but we have a small block laying around that we could set in it just to see.
Once I junked it, I got that 700 R4 over there too.
We should still have one that we could just set in it just to get a visual. I think we might have some heads that we could bolt some headers to. You know, just so we can get an idea on what this thing's actually going to look like when it's together. We should. Yeah, right there's some small block heads. And then I'm pretty sure we have a set of pretty cool T-bucket headers that might work on this thing. But first we got to get it in the garage. Just out of curiosity, we're trying to find out what year these batteries are.
Ah, this one I can read better.
They're from Walmart.
In Lansing. 05.
05. Wow, that's 16 years
16 years old. Yeah, I think they have the right to be dead.
Yeah.
They lived a good life.
They lived a good life. This thing's got like some wild. Oh, Kenny.
Oh.
This thing has some like wild boat paint job on it.
Yeah, definitely 70s.
70s inspired. Let's see how badly this can end. He's gonna try and push it around to get it in the garage. Wow.
Can't think of any other way. So just
go,
wrap around.
Just go right in the water jacket.
Oh fuck. I'll just get here and once we get it up.
Probably use a floor jack to hold it.
Yeah. Now let's see if it's gonna look.
Oh, it'll lift. Perfect.
I remember one night we pulled a fucking car on the trailer with them cheap ass fucking cage ratchet straps. I know I could never get the knot out of it again though.
Alright, got a bolt started in this side. Trying to get that side lined up. God, that engine looks so dinky in there.
Well, if we set the plate on this side, it might fit.
Yeah, I think.
There's only 3 of these bolts?
No, there was a few of them.
Oh, okay. No, I just needed.
Get out of here.
What the fuck?
What?
Let's see.
Actually, I think I see what you're talking about.
That hole is way the fuck off. Like I said, I think we got the plate on backwards. Mine ain't lined up whatsoever.
Well, we should be able to block things up now.
Yeah, just spin it around.
Yeah, we'll do that real quick. Alright, had to flip the motor plate around, had it on backwards, because instead of like being written in marker or paint or anything, it was engraved. It said front, and then below that it said Good Old Boys Hazard, Kentucky.
Alright, you can take this one down.
Alright. Should go like that, because right here's the hole for the starter.
That's where I read it and said. That bracket's in the truck.
Oh, is it? Oh, yeah, right here. Just like that. Man, look at this thing. Can't wait to see it with the heads and those headers on it.
Get this thing set where it's supposed to set.
And then weld that back up.
And weld this one back in.
I kind of just want to set the heads on and...
Now there is a set of heads over there.
Yeah, I saw them. Yeah, those ones right there.
Damn, I don't. There's got fucking pipes again for that.
You'd have to go down, I think.
Because they're gonna come down right where the frame's at.
Well, we'll see if they can go.
Be nice to get funny card headers.
Yeah, I thought about that.
They're actually not that fucking expensive.
No, like 100, 150.
Yeah, so I was watching it on, fuck. Yeah, Engine Masters.
Alright, got the heads on it. I think we try one at least.
Well, you wanna climb up there and unscrew it?
I'm not qualified.
I'm overqualified.
Exactly.
Oh.
Sounds like you just volunteered. Yep, I had it. Got it.
Good.
We're good.
Cause I don't.
Fuck. See if it fits upside down on the other side.
You have to notch it a little where the temperature gauge is.
That looks kind of sick though.
Good sick, bad sick.
Good sick. Like that looks awesome. I think it looks cooler like that than it would have the other way actually.
Yeah, it just makes it harder to work on the motor this way.
Yeah.
Yeah, just have to make this notch here down here.
Captain Inferno. So we gotta notch them for the plug for the temp sensor. Oops. So we got these, what, 6 years ago? 6 or 7 years ago out of a junkyard. We were there scrapping a car and saw those on like an engine pile. We gave
$5.
yeah, it was real cheap. And they've just been hanging on the wall ever since.
Yeah.
And now they have a home. Once they cool off a little.
Yeah.
Oh man. Look at that thing. That thing looks wild.
A little wide.
That's fine. It's wider than the truck. That's cool.
It's like a freaking bird.
God, that looks amazing. Alright, about to pull the cover off the rear end. Let's see what's back here.
You thought you was gonna pull that
No, I would have been surprised if I could just... Oh! Hey, I'm surprised. Hey! Well, fuck. It's an actual spool.
Wow. Clean oil too.
Yeah. Alright, just had to count the teeth on the gears because it wasn't stamped anywhere. It's got 5/38. I was kind of worried that it would have just a mini spool in it, so that full spool is pretty cool.
Yeah.
It's got a damn good rear end. The only way I could really see it being better is if it already had the discs on it.
Yeah, no shit.
I think that's probably going to do it for today's video. Still need a name for the truck, so if you guys have any ideas, leave them in the comments below. But aside from that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing and clicking that bell. We'll see you next time.